Want to create multiple shorts super fast? Just use ChatGPT to generate content and Canva to design it. Ask ChatGPT to give you 10 catchy scripts or quotes for your niche. Type prompt, give me 10 one-line motivational quotes for shorts. Here 10 motivational quotes for shorts as you can see. Select all these rows, right-click and copy them. Now you have to come to your Excel file and paste all that data here. Press Ctrl+V on the keyboard. Now by pressing Ctrl key we will select all the empty rows, and then by pressing delete we will delete all of them. After this you have to save this file. For this go to File and click on Save As. You can save it at any location you want. Here I will save it on the desktop. Here you have to go to Save as Type and select the CSV file. I will save it here with Excel data in the file name. Now click on the Save button and save your file. Now you have to open Canva and come to the home page and search for whatever shorts you want to make in the search bar. Here I will go to the Reels option for Instagram. You will find many Canva templates here. If you want, you can also select a blank post and prepare your own post. You will see a screen like this. Here you can create your own design, or you can create your post by clicking on the Element or Design option. I will go to Design here and select this post. Now I will go to Apps on the left side and scroll down and click on Bulk Create. Here you have to click on Upload Data. Go to the location where we saved the CSV file and select that file. To add an element to your page, right-click on it to connect it to your data as shown below. Here you need to go to your post and right-click on the written text and click on Connect Data. And then click on the text below. Click on Continue button. As soon as you click on Continue, you will see all the data on the screen. You just have to click on Select All. After this, you will see the option to generate 9 designs below. Since you have already made one design, it will ask you to design the rest in the same way, so just click on it and generate images in bulk. You will see images being generated in bulk on the screen. Similarly, if you want to generate videos in bulk, you can do that too. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.